birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po, Doc. Stay strong until you reach your 70s, your 80s, your 90s, and until Jesus comes. God bless po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Pastor.
Wish you all the best. God bless.
Hello, Pastor. Happy birthday po. Thank you so much for your leadership and for being an inspiration. God bless you. More birthdays to come and blessings to you and to your family. Happy birthday po.
Hello po, Pastor Amural. Your calm and positive demeanor have been a blessing to me, and I know to the many others whose lives you have touched. Happy birthday po, and I pray you'll have many more birthdays to celebrate.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pastor. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Pastor. Thank you for your leadership. God bless.
Happy birthday, Pastor. God bless you. Happy birthday, Pastor Abraham. We love you.
Kami po'y natutuwa at birthday po ninyo ngayon. Ito po'y mga first year, hindi ka pa man nila kilala, pero nagmamahal sila sa iyo. Lalo pa yung aming mga nauna sa kanila. So, we love you. 1, 2, 3.
We love you.
Pastor Amoral, happy birthday from Mom and Mom Nana. Have a great day. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo!
I'll say it again. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Lolo!
Very good. Apply kiss kay Lolo. Very good.
Happy birthday, Pastor. Wishing you a happy more years to celebrate. God bless po. Happy birthday!
Hi, Pastor. Good afternoon. Happy birthday. May have more birthdays to come, long life, and good health. Good to your family and good luck to the next chapter of your life as you lead the SSO and also a father to your family and a lolo to your apos. May God guide you, bless you, and nandito lang po kami. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pastor. Nakakamiss na po ang inyong mga words of wisdom yung sa worship natin. Ganun pa man, praying for you to have more years to celebrate, good health, and more blessings. May God bless your family in your ministry. Happy birthday po. Enjoy and have fun.
Magandang gabi po, Pastor. Binabati po namin kayo ng maligayang kaarawan. May God continue to give you good health and wisdom as you lead our Student Service Office. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pastor